Get ready to power up your electric vehicle the smart way with the Tesla Universal Wall Connector Home Electric Vehicle Charger. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to install, operate, and optimize your EV charger effortlessly. About the product. The Tesla Universal Wall Connector, compatible with all Tesla vehicles and most EVs using its built-in J1772 adapter support. It delivers up to 44 miles of range per hour with a maximum output of 11.5 kilowatts, 48 amps, depending on setup. Suitable for indoor or outdoor installation, it offers adjustable amperage to match your power supply. Built-in Wi-Fi enables over-the-air updates and app control, while power sharing lets up to 6 units charge multiple vehicles efficiently. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, wirebox mounting template, installation tools, user manual, product overview, wall connector external components, faceplate, light bar, vertical, main unit, J1772 charge port adapter, charge handle, wall connector internal components, RS4 85 port, contact blades, temperature sensor, conductor terminals, zip tie anchor, sliding contacts, wire box drainage opening. Installation. For installing the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, first choose a suitable location on a flat, sturdy wall where the charging cable can easily reach your vehicle's charge port without strain. Make sure there is enough clearance around the unit for the cable to loop comfortably and for the connector to dock easily, and mount it at about chest height for convenient use. Decide on the conduit entry point, top, bottom, or rear, removing the plug or drilling the knockouts as needed. Then use a level in the mounting template to mark 2 pilot holes, one at the top and one at the bottom. Drill them according to your wall type and securely fasten the wire box in place so it is ready for wiring. After the wire box is mounted for the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, the next step is wiring. Install a conduit between the wall connector and the electrical panel, then pull the required conductors through it. The unit supports up to 5 wires, line 1, line 2, line 3, neutral and ground. Though basic setups typically use line 1, neutral, and ground. Route and secure wires based on the conduit entry point, top, bottom, or rear. Then strip and connect each wire to the correct terminal. Tighten all connections with a Torx screwdriver and ensure wires are properly seated without pinched insulation. After wiring, align and press the wall connector onto the wire box until it locks in place, then secure it with the provided screws. Finally, wrap the cable neatly and place the handle in its dock, completing the installation and preparing it for power on and commissioning it for use. Connection setup. After mounting and wiring the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, turn on the breaker to power it up. The LED on the unit will pulse green for about 15 minutes, showing it is ready for setup. If it doesn't, press and hold the charge handle button for 5 seconds to enter commissioning mode. Next, open the Tesla One app, go to Installs and scan the QR code on the unit or Quick Start Guide to connect. In the app, configure installation settings, country and breaker size. Connect the wall connector to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and check for any software updates. You can also set optional access controls for which vehicles can charge. Once all settings show check marks and no alerts remain, exit setup. A solid green LED confirms the wall connector is fully commissioned and ready to charge. How to use. To use the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, Open your vehicle's charge port and plug in the connector. Use the adapter if needed until it clicks. Charging starts automatically and can be checked on the vehicle or app. When done, press the handle button to unplug, then wrap the cable and place it back in the holder. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.